Hi guys, and welcome to Code with Aaditya. My new project is this robotic cat. It uses an Arduino Uno, a 16-channel servo driver, some 3D printed parts, and 11 servos. And it is controlled by this Arduino IDE. So I coded a little bit of commands whenever I type in something to the serial monitor. So 0 is a sitting command. 1, it does push-ups. And then 2 is standing up high. And 3 is this crawling thing. 4 is a walking position. 5 is in place walking. 6 was a failed attempt of me trying to make it walk. 7 is laying down. Okay. And 8 is it doing exercise. It does a few push-ups. And then gets tired and lays down to take a little bit of rest, and then gets ready to do push-ups again. Thank you for watching this video of Code with Aaditya, and hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe.